All right, guys, round two with Lock Picking Lebowski's treasure chest. I started here, got the combination lock off fairly quickly, showed you guys a new technique. And now I guess we'll just keep going this way, get this monster off of here. This looked like a, if I turn it up, looks like a multi-lock. Oh, gosh. Let me set him up and then I will hold the camera. This is impossible to do with one hand. There we go. All right. I think we can get him like that. Get the camera up there. And let's see what we got here. I made a mistake. I probably shouldn't have chosen this one. This one has pins on the left, pins on the right, and pins on the bottom. This is not a multi-lock. This is, it looks very much like a Kaba or a Kaba clone. Yeah, bad choice, Bill. All right, let's try it. All right, all the pins are on the bottom, left, right, and bottom of the keyway. So I will try a variety of techniques. Let me get this guy in here. I've had a little luck raking these. Again, try to get the camera to cooperate. And maybe some light down here. That's a little better. I'm going to try to take this guy and rake the pins on the bottom. Sometimes on the Kaba that releases the core a little bit, and then you can go to work on the ones on the left and the right. So let's try that. The third pin on the left just gave me a little click. And he appears to be the only one so far that's binding. All right, let's do the rake thing on the bottom again. Try to get those bottom pins. Maybe it's going to alternate between these bottom pins and the side pins. Very light tension. Now, I'll see if we got another one. I felt a little turn on the core there, on the first pin on the right. And nobody else is binding. Let's try the bottom pins again. And I think that worked. I felt a very slight turn on the core. Let's go check those side ones again. Heard something click. I think I dropped a pin. No telling which one. It's pin 2, a little click. There's pin 2 on the left, that is. Come on. The right side's all still springy. Again, I felt a slight turn on the core. So I think we're on the right path, just not a very speedy path. Right side is still springy. Okay, that was number 4 on the right side. Oops. All right, I'm going to recock this thing and we are going to try it again. Let's not try to rake the bottom first this time. Let's just attack the pins on the sides first. And I'm going to try a little heavier tension this time. Pin 2, pin 3, and he won't go any further. He's stuck at, there we go, pin 4. On the right. Pin 1 is still springy. On the left. Pin 4 on the left again. And the right side is still springy. Let's do the raking thing on the bottom. And I felt a little turn on the core. Okay, that was 3 on the left. Right is still spring. Oh, no, there was 3 on the right. All right, I need one more tool. One I hardly ever use. It's from a Chinese kit. I don't remember which one, a long time ago, and I thinned out the blade. I have, on the left, I'm pretty sure they're all picked, but the right ones are all springy. So what I'm going to do is try to pick the ones on the right with the rake. And hope for a little luck here. I felt a slight turn on the core, so let's go ahead and try to rake the bottom ones again. I felt a little click. Let's get that nasty rake back again and try it again. Now he's really stuck. And there we go. It wasn't pretty, but number 2 down. I'm glad we got him out of the way because now at least the front of this thing can sit kind of level while we work on the rest of these locks. Anyway, guys, Lock Picking Lebowski. Appreciate you sending this in. Guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay legal, and stay off of Lock Picking Lebowski's send list.